In this backpack there's everything I need for a 2-month trip in winter. As you can see from my outfit, the trip is only going to be, well, in winter. I'm gonna go 2 weeks to Spain and 6 weeks to the UK. Actually, it's already halfway through. I'm already getting super hot. I'm wearing a woolen hat, gloves, a thick coat, and a thick scarf. I'm only wearing the winter coat because it's an all-winter trip. If I would go somewhere like halfway summer, halfway winter, that's a different story. But now, what do I bring for winter? Well, normal things, like things I usually wear. For example, this cardigan. It feels like a blanket. So it feels like I'm traveling with my blanket, so I really like it. Cardigan, t-shirt, jeans, my winter outfit. I'm also only wearing winter boots. I'll show you. I'm only gonna travel with those boots. I did not bring a second pair of shoes. It's easy. If it's only winter, only bring boots. If you're easily cold, like I am. In case you saw my old video, you might notice I bought myself a new backpack. It's a 25 liter. In 25 liters, there's everything you need for 2 months. I bring my water bottle. I bring my water bottle everywhere. Then in the front pocket, I only put my phone there. Usually I would just have it in my pants pocket. And up here, I only put the bag for my camera, some tissues and a chewing gum. And now, let's have a look on the inside. To be more organized, I have everything in separate bags. I have it's my dirty laundry bag, which broke. Like I said, it's already halfway through my trip. So my washing bag broke. Usually it's got a sling. In my washing bag I have my underwear for now. 7 pairs of knickers and 7 pairs of socks. Out of the 7 pairs of knickers I have 3 pairs of period panties. That's all my underwear. And I'm wearing 1 sports bra and that's it. On washing day I'm not gonna wear any bra. But yeah. Let's come to my toiletry bag. There is a little bit of a change since my last video. My toothbrush got a bit bulkier. I have my toothbrush in a travel case now, but it's so much more hygienic. Before, my toothbrush would just like fly around in my toiletry bag and get a bit dirty. And the travel case also has UV light cleaning. Then my toiletry bag, toothpaste. I'm not wearing any makeup. That's very handy when you travel as a minimalist. I have a soap and shampoo bar. Inside, a nice and handy dry bag. Very handy. You can roll it up so it doesn't get everything wet inside your bag. Toothbrush. Oh my god, sorry. Hairbrush, obviously. Bring 1 hairbrush. Body butter. Facial cream. Last swap. A cotton swab. Not made out of cotton. It takes a little bit getting used to at the beginning, but then it's very handy. Tweezers, nail clippers and nail file. 1 lip balm. A razor with a separate head. And 4 hair bubbles, because I keep losing them. And that's it from the toiletry bag. So, next thing, I have my day backpack. So on day trips, I don't like to bring my whole backpack, so I have like a small day bag. It's nothing fancy, it's just like a very ordinary bag. What I really like, it has 1 inside pocket with a zip, and it has 1 zipped pocket on the back. So like right at your back, it's easily accessible and nobody can steal anything from you. Then we have the electronics bag. I need to find a better bag for it. It's like weirdly loose in this bag, but anyway, here are all my electronics. I have a Kindle because I love reading, mostly fantasy books, in case you have any recommendations. In a special laptop compartment in my backpack, I also have my laptop. I have a power bank, especially on day trips. I use my phone a lot, Google Maps, taking pictures and so on, so the battery goes empty very quickly. I have headphones. I started listening to podcasts, so yeah. Then I have an adapter, so it's very cool for different countries. What I really like about this adapter is that you can put in the USB straight in the adapter here. That's very handy. Spare battery for the camera. I'm filming right now with the camera. And then all the charging things. Charging thing from my laptop, charging thing from my phone, for the power bank, and UV light travel case for my toothbrush or my ebook reader, and charging thing for my toothbrush. So a lot of different charging things. That is it. Empty. And now to the most interesting things, my clothes. Clothes are very important for a winter trip. So let's open it up. I have everything in a packing cube. I think packing cubes help me a lot, like staying organized and having everything in one place. It feels like I can pack more when I put it in a packing cube. First thing, pajamas, long pajamas. It's winter. I don't want to be cold while sleeping. We rest. As you can already see when it's here in the packing cube, I got a color scheme going on. I like to dress colorfully, but if you want to travel as a minimalist, everything needs to mix and match. So it's best if you have one color scheme going on. As you can see, all the colors kind of go together, even the ones I'm wearing now. I'm wearing one top now. I'm bringing also one t-shirt with 3/4 length arms. Then I have one top. Technically, I could wear it as it is in summer, but in winter I bring it to wear it underneath my other t-shirts if it's cold. Then I'm bringing one long sleeve t-shirt. So 4 t-shirts all together. I have one sweater. I'm wearing one cardigan, and I bring one shirt. So if it's a little bit warmer, I can just wear my shirt over a t-shirt. On a really cold day, I would wear the top, then the long sleeve t-shirt over that, and then my shirt, and then my hoodie. So all of that. That's everything now for the top area. Now let's come to the legs. So I'm wearing one pair of jeans. That's actually the only pair of jeans I'm bringing. Otherwise, I'm bringing tights. One pair of thin tights and one pair of thick tights. If it's cold, I will wear the thick tights over the thin tights. I would also wear tights underneath the jeans if it's cold. So yeah, tights and one skirt. The skirt goes with both tights. And then I'm also bringing some comfy pants. I really like those pants, but they're not the smallest to pack. So I'm doing a lot of house sitting, which means I'm just staying in a lot of times as well and work on my blog. Also bringing some comfy pants for launching around. And that's all the clothes I brought. The only things left are in the hidden compartment. Here is my wallet and my passport. That's everything I'm bringing on a 2-month trip in winter. I'm already halfway through my trip, and the only thing I've been missing so far was a bikini. It's a winter trip. I didn't think I would need a bikini. Most of the time we were house sitting, but we treated ourselves to one night in Barcelona in a nice hotel with a spa area. And well, you need a bikini for a spa area. Keep in mind, even if it's a winter trip and you might not go to the beach, you might still go to a spa or something, and then you need a bikini. But otherwise, very happy with my packing choices. There's nothing else I've been missing so far, and like I said, I'm already halfway through the trip. Yeah, that's it. I hope you learned something for your next minimalist packing trip. If you have any recommendations on what I did wrong, let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you soon.